Good day everyone, I am from ABS support team. Today I will showcase how to check in a walk-in guest. To check in a guest, go to homepage and at the general section, click check-in. Here you can choose the room type and the room number. The room numbers that are grayed out means that the room is unavailable. Choose the rooms that are available and input the guest information. Required information are guest name, ID number, telephone number, nationality, arrival date and departure date and also rate type. After entering the information, click Done. It will show you the payment amount. Click Done. Here you can print the guest registration report, receipt and deposit receipt. After that, click Done and you will see that the guest is successfully checked in. Thank you and I hope you've learnt something from this tutorial video.